Okay, now we're ready for this very quick splash shot. 2 lights, okay, 2 strip boxes. To increase power output in lumens, meaning that basically not by increasing power of the power of the strobe generator, but I just removed front diffusion. That means that more light will come out from this strip box on both the same, okay? I need to make sure that we have a relatively short flash duration because it will be splash, and short flash duration happens on most of lighting systems on lower power settings, okay? So right now we have 1/4000th of a second flash duration. Shutter speed will be 1/200th of a second. Sort of X-sync, even though with Hasselblad we can go higher, but we're not going to do this. Then I'm going to use a real coffee. I'll pour it into our, how you call it, thing, and I will do that kind of rotation, movement, so it will be spilling all around. Okay, let's make sure that we are in the focus. Please shoot, Irina. No, just click. Awesome. Thank you. We're going to see if we are on the focus. Not myself, but I want to see if the glass is in the focus. Well, relatively on the focus. We shoot in f/16, okay? And well, something tells me that we need a little bit more light, so I'm going to increase it a little bit. Okay. I think focus was somewhere, let me check, yep, here. Let's do one more click. Nice. Okay, a little bit more light. So, we already have this shot, so I'm not going to spend time, you know, to set the right focus, all this thing. You understand what is going on. Camera is on manual focusing mode. We have preset the focusing point. That's where I need to do my movement. Just showing you how we got that shot, okay? So, pouring it, then standing a little bit away, okay, and doing this rotation. And the person who will trigger, because we use kind of human trigger, there is no electronic devices, we don't trust them. So Irina, she's helping me, she's gonna trigger when it will be splashes coming. It's not that easy, but we'll try, okay? So, Irina, you ready? 3, 2, go. A little bit later, but I think you got it. Let's see. This is our very first splash. Or a little bit, well, yeah, a little bit late, but it's okay. You know, guys, what I just found, that I was wrong about doing this right in front of the camera. I need to be on the side, of course. I need to be on the side. So, you know, Irina, let me do this. We have only one portion of the coffee. So I'm going to trigger myself. I hope I can get it. And to make it a little bit easier for me, to trigger, I'm going to use mirror lookup feature on the camera. That means that it's instant click, instant. There is nothing gonna move. Camera is ready. I'm hitting the button and we're getting click. Okay. So I shouldn't be behind because we need just a black background, and it will be like this. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, woohoo. This is what we got, the shot that you've seen on the this one. Okay, you see this, of course, a little bit different idea. I mean, different result, but exactly the same technique. Okay, this is exactly what I was doing. I just don't want to spend your time to do it again and again, because this is not about splash. This course is about coffee maker. But you got how we did it. Already? Awesome. Let's move to the next lesson. Bye.